Hi everybody, my name's Michael from Equippo, and I want you to imagine something for a moment. And this is a story from yesterday. Large construction company in France, Vinci, construction guy Emmanuel in Tanzania. Caterpillar, 50 ton, 80,000 euro. Now think about that as an online transaction, cutting out all the middlemen. I'm gonna start first, and if I could have the clicker with the video.
Buying used equipment can get really complicated. Buying at a good price is even harder. Now imagine that you need to buy your best deal from a foreign country. It just becomes even more complicated. The experts at Equippo.com are ready to help. Our expert team of highly qualified inspectors carefully inspects every machine inside and out. We then take care of worldwide shipping so you can receive your machine in any country of the world without risks or hassles. It's that easy to buy used equipment at Equippo.com. Every purchase on Equippo.com is protected by an unbeatable money-back guarantee. Test drive your machine on your job site for 5 days, anywhere in the world. If you're not completely satisfied, return it for a full refund. No questions asked. Let us deliver your perfect machine.
You've seen our product. What we want to be is the world's leading marketplace for construction equipment. And how we do that is by selling inspected, delivered, with a money-back guarantee. But we also use a lot of technology to make the business scalable. And we make it extremely easy for both the buyer and the seller to make that happen. You have to think about not one Emmanuel in Tanzania, not 1,000, but hundreds of thousands Emmanuels in this world. $300 billion of used construction equipment trading every year. The largest player, by the way, only does $5 billion. Very fragmented market, very old school. Now, if you have such a fragmented market and you have so many brokers and middlemen, it's for a reason. It's because it's very difficult today to buy or sell used construction equipment. There are condition risks, engine not working, this is broken, that's broken. You have the risk of seller fraud, payment risks, language barriers. And shipping is really complicated for a 50-ton machine from France to Tanzania. Customs, yeah? All these things are points of our solution. We address that with our marketplace. And because we eliminate 3, 4, up to 7 middlemen, that's why we are highly disruptive. We do that by curating supply. We had to learn that. We need to manage the price. We need to select. We need to inspect. We need to make it easy for the seller. We also have to make it very easy for the buyer with a final price software that shows the delivered price all over the world, 70 countries in fact, based on the IP address. All those things to enable a direct online transaction. What that means is more money for both the buyer and the seller, and I mean in huge dimensions. This is a very conservative example, but it's simple to get everybody more money if you eliminate 3 to 7 middlemen, right? Peer-to-peer, construction company to construction company. Now, I have to say, I thought it would be much easier than it turned out to be. It took us quite some time and lots of tests and iterations to get the online platform, to get our product right, to know that we have to pre-inspect, we have to do the money-back guarantee, and you can see that, finally we've nailed it. So please talk to me about your investment right after my pitch. The metrics are great, 50,000 average basket size, order value, almost 10% net commission take rates much higher. This is net of shipping and payment costs. We are already contribution margin 1 positive. On the first sale, we pay for all the marketing costs. Not yet on the personnel side, but that's just a numbers game and we just have to get the volume up. And then, to finish, I was asked to talk about our vision. So I'll start with what we already do today. Already today, the blue countries are where people get a final price and where we can actually deliver. And over 40 of those we've already sold. Now, the 2 yellow ones are what we call the focus market, where we do absolutely everything to build local trust, to build a brand. We do PR, we do trade shows. And that's a playbook for scaling right there. Colombia in South America. Why, any country is fine, really. You have to learn how to get a Colombian end user to buy a German or French excavator online, right? But now look at this. This is where I see Equippo in 5 years. Yeah, we're going to have all major markets of construction equipment as focus markets. We're going to have a brand. We're going to be local. People will buy online. It will become normal to buy their machine on our transactional marketplace. Thank you very much for your time. And hey, Equippo is going to change the world of used construction equipment, and you better believe it. Thank you.